What's so beautiful about it? You've stepped on my toes, as I say. And I'm beginning to get a little excited and angry. So, now let's talk. Let's talk about my bright and beautiful life. Where shall we begin? You know how sometimes violent obsessions take hold of a person? The moon, for example. Day and night, they think of nothing but the moon. I have a moon. Every day, every night. I'm obsessed by one thought. I must write. I must write. I must write. I've hardly finished one novel, and somehow I have to write another. And then a third, and after the third, a fourth. I write without stopping, always at lightning speed. It's the only way I can write. What's so beautiful about that? Life is really crazy. Here I'm talking to you and excited. But at the same time, I can't forget for a single instant that there's an unfinished story waiting for me in my room. I see that cloud up there. It's shaped like a grand piano. Instantly, I make a mental note to put it in my story. Clouds sail by like a grand piano. The smell of heliotrope. Sickly smell, a widow's color. I'll use that when I describe a summer's evening. I capture every sentence you or I say to lock away in my literary storeroom. Who knows when it'll come in handy? As soon as I finish working, I race off to the theater or go fishing, hoping to find a little rest. And now a new idea comes into my head like a cannonball. And I'm back at my desk writing and writing and writing. It's always that way. I give myself no rest. I feel I'm consuming my own life. For the honey I'm giving someone I don't know. I'm robbing my best flowers of their pollen and tearing up those flowers and trampling on them. You think I'm crazy? Do my friends talk to me as they would a sane man? What are you writing now? What masterpiece are you going to give us next? And so on. Until I think that all this attention and praise is said as you might say something kind to a sick man, deceive him, soothe him, and then steal up behind him and carry him off to the madhouse like Pushkin. And as for my young years, my best years when I was beginning, my life was a torture. Being a beginning writer, especially when he's unlucky, feels awkward and unwanted, the world doesn't need him, his nerves are worn thin, and he's always at the breaking point still. He can't resist hanging around anyone with any connection with art and literature, where nobody recognizes him. Everybody ignores him, and he's too shy to even look people straight in the face. He's like an incurable gambler without anybody.
And cut.